Hi, welcome to the Paige family homestead. We're doing something with two playlists today. Hashtag let's dehydrate and hashtag let's air fry. We're going to be dehydrating in our air fryer on the dehydrator setting. It's a small project. Come on in and join us. So what we're doing, Andy is my fermenting king. He loves to ferment our vegetables and we both love them. However, we still have this much left over from the last batch and he's got me like a big half-gallon jar. So I need to do something with this. I have company coming on the weekend. I don't have room to have this in my fridge I got lots of people coming. So what I'm going to do is dehydrate it. Now for vegetables, typically you would dehydrate at 125 degrees. But because this has so many good probiotics and lacto-fermentation, I don't want to kill it, right? I mean, if you take it to the boiling point, you're destroying not all, but a great majority of the goodness, which is why we made it to begin with. So I'm going to dehydrate it. Typically for like herbs and such, I would do it for 95 degrees Fahrenheit on the dehydrator. However, in using the air fryer as the dehydrator, it only goes down in numbers of 10 unit, not 5. So I'm actually going to be doing it at 90, which does not bother me at all because I know this is going to be some good. Now, normally we would just grab a handful, throw it in some soups or some stews. It's nice as a snack, but I have an idea I want to try other than my normal uses for this, and if it works I'll show you. If I don't, well, it was an idea, prove it. I'm straining it. We don't want liquid for the dehydrator. Now my hands are clean and I want to save the juices in this because like even a cup, a measly little cup of these juices is a great starter for your next vegetable project with lacto-fermentation. We've done a couple videos. I'll put the playlist up for you in the iCards or at the end screen. It'll be somewhere or in the description of the video. The link will be there. I mean, it's so easy, and once you do it, you don't buy it anymore. So we want to keep it under the boiling temperature because that does kill a lot of the goodness in here. And well, I'm not willing to throw a lot of the goodness away. So I've got 1 cup. So we'll be working on a different, maybe we'll do some carrots and some other root vegetables. Not just sauerkraut, right? So because I'm using the air fryer, it's a small project. I don't have nothing else to go into my Cabela at this time. Tomorrow, but tomorrow's another day. Get rid of evidence of dirty dishes. So I'm just going to spread this out, and then I'm going to stick it out into the air fryer, and I will bring you back. This doesn't take long either, guys. And it's so nice to have on hand. And if my idea works, if it doesn't, I just look stupid for saying I had an idea. Okay, I'll bring you back. So let's turn it on. Now, I've had quite a few people ask me, what, you're dehydrating in an air fryer? Yes. What kind is it? It is a Chefman. I got it from Amazon, guys. And it's got all these different settings on it. I'm using this one. It says right on it, dehydrate. I'm not wanting 8 hours. I'm going to check it at 4. And I want to set the temperature way too high, down to 90. So we've got it at 90 degrees for 4 hours. I'll check it. Let me put the light on. Where is it? Here we go. There it is, 2 trays. Let's see how long it takes in this machine. Who remembers making popcorn the old-fashioned way? It was 5.5 hours at 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Why did I do it so low? I mean, I could have boiled, the typical boiling is what, 116? I'm guessing, just off the top of my head. So I could have safely did this at 100 degrees Fahrenheit, right? It would be the boiling temperature that would kill all the probiotics in our sauerkraut, the lacto-fermentation, which I don't want to kill. I don't care how many jars he's got coming behind the one we just did. I don't want to kill it. So by doing it at 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the dehydrator, which was the air fryer dehydrator setting, and going into Angie Life and More Reloaded hashtag Let's Air Fry, as well as the hashtag Let's Dehydrate that our channel is hosting. By keeping it at that low temperature, I was able to make sure that it's still alive. Oh, it smells like sauerkraut, heavenly. And oh my God.
Tastes good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Want to try a piece?
Yeah.
Lean in. Oh. Ooh.
Actually, I like that.
It magnifies the flavors. I love it.
Ever.
I use it in soups and stews, right? Mashed potatoes. This time I thought, let's make a treat. It's Friday night.
Mm-hmm.
So I ground it. This is the other tray. And this is only half of what I got. The other half, you guessed it, is in the popcorn for tonight. Wow, guys. It's kind of, if you like, it's like a dill, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of. It's not. It has nothing to do with dill or dill pickle. But it's got that.
It's got that zap to it.
Yeah.
Livens it up and is good.
And it's alive. We didn't kill it. It's still alive. I love it. So, get your fermentation on for the weekend, for the kids' pup. Oh my God. Guys.
Good, eh?
Yeah. I'm glad I thought of it. I didn't think of it. I have seen it somewhere online that they did this method. And then I forgot about it for years. So in getting ready to do this video, I went back and watched. They're all fermenting it at way too high a temperature. As soon as you do that, or fermenting it, they're all dehydrating it at too high a temperature, guys. Come on, you gotta think now. If boiling water is 116 or maybe a little higher, that's all it takes to kill those beautiful probiotics in our sauerkraut. And I'm not willing. So, 90 degrees Fahrenheit did it.
That's good like that. I really like it like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Got a heck of a taste to it.
Ooh! Love it. It's going to be a nice healthy snack tonight.
Yeah.
Made with coconut oil instead of vegetable oil. Can't use olive oil because the heat goes too high, it burns, right? So I'm happy. Next time the grands come to visit, they're going to get, like, this is still alive. The flavoring, the probiotics. I can't get over it. I can't get over how good it is. And I'm looking at it sitting in front of me for a little while because I know once Andy gets into it and his friend Clint's coming, it's finished.
Oh yeah.
So if you've got sauerkraut and you've got more coming, I don't like, I can it, but to be totally honest, it kills a lot of the probiotics. So why would we go through all that hard work of making it so that we can kill it? So here's another way to do it. Do it at 90 degrees in your dehydrator, or 95, herb setting, right? Perfect. Perfect. I'm going to be doing a lot more. Andy,
That's tasty.
get your ferment on, boy.
Get my ferment on.
All right, everybody, please remember to give us a thumbs up, comment below. I hope you try this, because I hope I have some left by the time I'm done the video. You've been good. Here, do you want a big piece?
Oh yeah.
Watch your face now.
Oh, it's good. I like it. I really like it.
Gotta try it, guys. Still alive.
Nice.
See you next video.